Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2017 International we have for sale. It's got 113,000 miles on it. It's a 6.7 Cummins diesel with an Allison transmission. It's a Southern truck, absolutely no rust. 22.5s, air brakes. It's got a 13-foot IMT Dominator with a 10,000 pound 25-foot reach crane on it. Hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Miller Enpak with the generator, hydraulic pump, air compressor. All the hydraulics are ran off the Enpak. The truck itself's got like 4,600 hours, I believe, so low hours on the truck. A very, very nice truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Air ride seat, exhaust brake, locking differential, $33,000 GVWR on this truck. Through these drawers, then we'll come back and work the crane. Bed and crane, which is a rare item to find in these used service trucks. Normally all that stuff's long gone. Let's start the Enpak up and we'll run the crane. So power on, start. We'll go outriggers out. Down. Out and down. Obviously that goes out more. I'm just showing you the basic functions on it. Pull them back up. work the crane. Obviously it does a lot more. I'm just showing you the basic functions and everything works like it should on it. Compressor. Needs a fitting put on the end of it, but you get the idea. Stolen. So if you're interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. The website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. If you decide to ship, just know that we're dispatchers, so what we'll do is post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama. Going to California or New York or New Mexico, Wisconsin, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. You know, just know, like I said, we're a dispatcher, so we post it and we wait for somebody to call. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready as soon as you send me the money to jump on a trailer and head your way. Normally you will have the truck, like I said, in 3 to 7 days. But you know, I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up here and pick it up, or an exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do that as well. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be certified funds by wire or cashier's check or cash. All right, I guess that's about it on this one. Again, this truck's a 17 model, international. It's got the 6.7 Cummins in it, Allison transmission, only 113,000 miles, 13-foot IMT Dominator, 10,000 pound, 25-foot crane. It's got the Enpak Mechanic series on it, so really nice truck with low miles. Don't wait, it won't last long. There's my nephew, who I'm hoping is going to be helping me soon. He might start doing these videos for me. All right. All right. If you're interested, give me a call. Like I said, call or text 256-310-6852. HeavyMetalAuto.com. Thanks for watching.